We're really good. I love them. We're really good. It's not perfect, but they're really good. Yeah, any micro SD, it works. This is 256. Now this video is getting copyright strike.
There's always so much
everywhere.
Always
Everywhere.
They just redid this resort like in 2015, 2016. So now they're just doing it again. DVC.
I just hope they don't give it like the treatment that we did at the hotel.
I think they already have.
You think so?
Yeah.
No, there's still color inside the resort. It's fine.
The castle let them come our way. The castle way over there, that's where we were at. That's where you took the pictures at.
For this village tram going out to Hook and Scar. Again, we are a village tram and out to Hook, rows 312 to 328, and Scar, rows 410.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright fans, and at this time I am going to call for no further boarding. If you're not already on board the tram, stay behind the yellow line. No further boarding. No further boarding. This tram is to sign acceleration and hard braking, so hang on to loose items and fall children. If that unfolds, let it go. Let me know the next stop. We'll do our best to land and back to you. With all that being said, sit back, left. Very cool for dispatch.
It's like a lot of option areas.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Driver in front and myself here on the back. Thank you all so much for listening to today's match meeting. We've been very magical. If you're listening quickly, we're turning on, you're going to follow a bit of white arrows that are listed on the ground. As those who lead you on court one, it'll be so follow them because they'll be your Mandalorian and tell you this is the way. When you're following the arrows, also follow the speed limit. The speed limit is not still 15 miles per hour. That's a 15, or a 95 for any light at the same time. We know lights is a highway, but a market light is not one, so please let it be known and shout until you have found the exit. If you're arriving to your vehicle and you find something less than magical is happening, you can't find peace, you need to walk the magic park, your car will start, or your car is off having its own Bayou adventure. Flag down a cast number or security number. We will do our best to help you out with any car-related issues that you may be having. If you're planning on park hopping, hold on to your emergency, as those are good all day today for all 4 of our theme parks. And we are a village tram, so we will be making one stop and one stop only, and that stop will be to drop off in Hook and Scar. Hook will be on the driver's left-hand side, Scar will be on the driver's right-hand side. So remain fully seated on board this tram until after the very fast and speedy and world-famous 5-mile-per-hour U-turn. Here it comes. Everyone put your hands up and go wee!
Wee!
Wow, that was so weak. So disappointed in most of you. I saw the people up in the front though, like, y'all did good. Come on, one more time. I said, let's go we. There we go. We actually heard some effort in some people's voices. Try to be clear. Turn. There's a stop. Go ahead, watch your step. Pull up, push out of those doors. Handle exit to the driver's left-hand side for Hook and the driver's right-hand side for Scar. Maybe a magical day with you. Matt Chris, everybody who's camera crew goes safely. And make sure you're crossing all the way to the outside of those doors. Hold for your safety. Have a great rest of your night and get wherever you're going safely. Goodbye.